So what are some things you need to know before hiring your financial advisor? Oh, I'm so glad you asked. That's what we're going to focus on this month. So it's Lisa Ward here, your investment advisor to millionaires. So we have alphabet soup behind our name, and what the heck does that mean? Those of us in the industry, we recognize them, but what does that mean for you? So two of the most common ones you'll see for advisors who are client-facing are CFP, Certified Financial Planner, and CHFC, so a Chartered Financial Consultant. And the CFP, that's the one that I have. You have to have a 4-year degree. You have to have been in the industry for a while. There are several classes you have to pass. There's a capstone and then a written exam. The CHFC does not require a 4-year degree. So those are the advisors who didn't go to college or didn't finish college, that's the route they typically go. So still focused on financial planning, has several classes, requirements for time in the industry, and a written exam. So that's really the degree plus ongoing continuing education for both certifications. But those will be the two most common for advisors who focus on financial planning. Now we have some other team members. You might see CFA or SEMA. Those are our super nerds, as I like to call them. So we have some CFAs on our team. That's your Chartered Financial Analysts. So the SEMA and the CFA are our analysts, so the super nerds. So those are the folks that are doing the research on stocks and bonds or fund managers to see, okay, is this bond or is this stock performing well? Should we sell it? Should we buy it? So they get into the nitty-gritty and do all of the research for us. Same thing for the SEMA. That's on the investment management side of things. So those are the folks that are actually analyzing fund managers to see, is a mutual fund or an ETF fund performing like it's supposed to. So CFP, CHFC for your advisor, CFA and SEMA, CIMA for our back office team. And then another one you might actually see for some advisors is the CPA. So that's your public accountant. Now, I do not have that. That's why we partner with your accountants and make sure that we're doing everything holistically. We're making sure we're bringing it tax efficient and all of those things. But another term that gets thrown around is fiduciary, which is super important. It is an additional level of licensing. It's another exam that we have to take that focuses on what is in your best interest. And if you are a fiduciary, you are liable to do what is in best interest for your client. So this is not a salesperson trying to sling a product or sell a share of a stock or any financial product really out there. This person's responsibility is to give sound advice, what is in your best interest. So understanding the designations your advisor potentially has, and then are they a fiduciary? And we are fiduciaries. So if you're looking for somebody who is looking out for you, probably a good requirement to have. So if you guys have questions, if you want to know what any other certification or alphabet soup behind somebody's name means, by all means, let me know. It's also a good, easy, quick Google. But if you guys do have questions, I'm here for you.